What? You don't like videos? I told you we need to take a video.
I love videos. They're fun. And pictures. Can I give Taylor another Cheeto?
No, he's have diarrhea for days.
He already ate 2.
No, don't do it. And then he's gonna be bothering you the whole time. That's why you don't give him food.
Okay, he's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. I'm scared.
Then put it in your mouth and he won't jump. Did you draw one?
No.
Oh.
Just look at your foot. And Ryan, can you go upstairs for a second?
Why?
Just go upstairs.
So you can give him the whole bag of Cheetos?
I feel bad for him.
No.
Don't you feed him?
Yeah, not Cheetos. That's human food. Dogs are not supposed to be humans.
Dogs are animals.
Yeah, not humans.
So you were a dog once.
Nuh-uh.
You don't know that for sure.
You know what?
I would give you one, but Miranda.
Dogs can be transsexual.
She has issues.
But that brings back bad memories because I used to talk about that to somebody. Yeah. But yeah, they can be transsexual.
You used to talk about
And
that with JC?
yeah.
What the heck? Beautiful. His eyes following me.
Amina,
Come on, let's play, Taylor. I dare you to.
Aren't you scared of him?
No.
You were just scared of him.
Show
Taylor.
in the picture.
That's because he was attacking me yesterday.
Hey, baby.
Me?
Is the camera on you?
Taylor. He's deaf.
Taylor's
Taylor.
mad at you right now.
Come here.
Go fight Miranda.
No, he likes me better than Miranda.
He likes me. Taylor. I love you.
Please.
He's doing
That's why he looks away.
No,
Taylor.
whatever. He likes me. I slept with him, so I wouldn't be talking.
Ew.
I slept with him. I was like, ugh. Okay.
You know, don't dogs like do it from the back?
Yeah. They're like, well, they're dogs. They like doing the doggy style on you.
Oh, that makes sense.
Taylor.
Look, this is the size of a Kia's stomach when she's pregnant. Just take like this little part
She's
off.
gonna become pregnant?
She looks pregnant. Just take like this little circle off, and then that's her real stomach. And then when she's pregnant, this comes off.
Taylor.